Guys, I didn't get to finish the rest of the video yesterday, so I got Marco with me today, and he's gonna go with me for a test drive on the Jeep, and he's gonna tell you guys what he thinks about this awesome new car.
You told me we were gonna go get coffee. I'm here for coffee.
Okay, we can go get coffee. Let's get coffee. All right, Marco, let's go.
Oh, sorry.
I like the push start thingy on it. Wait, wait.
Fancy.
So we're going to get some coffee.
This is what's cool about this Jeep. Look at that. It's a Jeep.
I like the little red button on it.
Did you know that they hit a bunch of little, like, I don't know what they're called, like Jeep emblems, like little things all around your Jeep? They hit it and you're supposed to find it. Here's one. Here's one. Boom. Ah. See,
yeah, also the headlight.
There's a little Jeep
the
right
bulb
there.
Cover has a Jeep grill on it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of
really
little
cool.
Jeeps like that crawling all over your Jeep. You gotta find them.
Really?
Yep. It's
I
like
think
a
there's
thing.
some on the back seat. There's like a print of a Jeep grill on the, and I thought it was like something pressed on it, and it's the actual Jeep logo. All right, check this out. You ready? I'm gonna just like floor it. All right, here we go. Normal. I'm gonna floor it.
Dang! This feels like a car.
Right? Isn't it peppy?
Is this still on?
Yeah.
That's like faster than my Jeep.
Wanna race?
No, because
Oh
it's
my
gonna
God,
win.
Like we go to the race and then we get with a Jeep.
We need to go to the
Oh my
drag
God.
strip with this thing. This is fast.
All-wheel drive. That was real with that. Put an all-wheel drive. Take
No.
traction control off. It also has this thing. Look at this. I'm gonna stop here and it's gonna shut off.
You need it. Oh, it's gonna shut off?
Yep. Look.
What do you mean?
Look. If I stop.
What? What? What just happened? Turn it on. We gotta go. There's people behind us.
It's on already. Bro.
How is it on?
I just let go of the brake.
But I didn't even hear it.
Yeah, because he got that electric motor that just starts the engine with a pulley.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
So the supercharger starts the car?
Yep.
That's crazy. What? There's
I
what?
can say what it right here is an auto start off.
No, don't turn that off. That's amazing. I bet you save so much gas on that.
Yeah, the only thing I think the AC that doesn't run.
Why am I so excited? This is just
there's
amazing.
traffic coming. All right, let's go. We can do this.
What? Whoa! Look at this. You're already passing this person. We haven't even made the left turn.
Oh my God, it's so much fun. I love this thing.
The
dude.
best part, it's a Jeep, so you can like go over the curb if you need to.
Right, it's like, oh, I'm gonna make the U-turn all the way back here. Just run over the curb.
What do all these buttons do?
Those are the windows.
Oh, they're in the center. How you
Yeah.
go up?
Going on.
That's the lock.
Yeah,
It's got USB.
Also got all these auxiliary buttons
What are they
over here
for?
for towing, so you can put like a LED bar, whatever. It's already pre-wired for it.
All these are buttons and
And
stuff.
then over here,
Oh!
you can select them over here. Settings. Wait.
Oh, you still have the little plastic on it? You don't want to take it off?
Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna get a
You wanna
protector for it.
You want to tell everyone it's a brand new Jeep, bro?
Aux switches. You hit here. Wait, what is?
You flipping switches right now?
And then you can say what you want to do. You can use it as power source from the ignition or battery, whatever.
What?
Matching,
That's
momentary,
cool.
Recall last state. The whole thing. You can also control.
Those
the
are
AC
cool for
here.
lights. We need to get you some lights.
Yeah, I need LED lights for this thing.
Like a big light bar.
And also has a U-Connect to connect the phone on there too.
So
That's
we can
really
listen,
cool.
listen to our reggaeton, our Bad Bunny.
Oh my God, you're so dumb.
You don't like Bad Bunny?
No.
You're crazy. You're crazy. Comment
crazy.
below if he should like Bad Bunny.
Give me the USB cord real quick. So I connect the phone. Then I hit maps over here.
Oh, so that's your password.
And there's my
Got
map.
it.
Same thing as over here.
Oh, the CarPlay. That's sick.
You'll see it there. Same thing. Wow.
And then if you go to the home screen on your phone.
Oh, it also
Yeah, it goes back to your home screen.
Yeah.
And then you can go to maps or messages.
Message, whatever you
phone.
want.
It's
and
cool
more.
because like you go to phone and then you can click. You can say call Marco. Let me see.
Call
Yes.
Marco.
Make a call.
Call Marco.
Who do you want to call?
Marco.
calling Marco Tellez. Mobile.
Ho ho! Oh wait, don't show my number.
Don't show my number.
Yeah, look.
Your number is protected.
Alberto D-Spec. I wonder who that is.
What the hell? What do you mean?
What's better than calling is the text messages.
No, don't do
Would you like
that.
to hear your unread messages? Or
No.
make a new one?
No.
Hey.
New message. Hold on. New message. Text Marco. How you do the thing? Look, you messed it up. Watch, I'm gonna send a message. It's
Would you
better.
like me to read your messages? Or compose a new one?
Compose new message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Marco,
What do you want to say?
you suck at drifting.
Your message to Marco Tellez says you suck a drifty. Ready to send it?
Send.
I wonder what it's gonna look like.
See? Boom.
Did you send it?
Yeah, no, that's a missed call from you.
Send.
Okay. Go ahead.
Send message.
Your message to Marco Tellez says send message. Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Oh, there it is.
Send message.
Wait a minute.
I got 40 degrees of lock on this
This
thing.
thing
Look at
tells
that.
you the angle which
Yeah.
you're turning?
Yep.
What? How could I get that in my drift car? I'm gonna be like, bro, I was right behind you.
Also,
at
you got pitch
60
and roll.
degrees.
Yeah, you got those two things.
What? That's crazy. I wonder how they do that.
I don't know. Oh, wait.
12%, 8%, 10%. Can you keep it steady, please?
Like hill over here, and it's gonna tell you the degrees of the hill.
This isn't a hill, but okay.
Look,
What is it?
4 degrees, 3, 2.
You gotta hard park it. That's how you do it. Then we can know the degree of your hard park. You know, when you gotta put a wheel on the curb.
No,
Do it! Do
I might
it!
get stuck.
You'll be one wheel on the thing. Just turn left. Turn
No,
left.
no.
Ah.
That's it.
Does it lock with your key?
Huh?
Does it lock with your key?
With that key?
Yeah. 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 Race car can't do that.
No. You got a long ass key.
It's so nice in Florida. I can't believe it.
No heat. 40 degrees. Whee! And then like turning around the other way. Oh wait.
Oh, you put it in drive so it went away.
Wait. Hold on.
You gotta put it in reverse again.
Hold on.
Oh, it's so loud. Bye, buddy.
No, what is it? Oh, where is it? Apps. Aha.
Oh,
Yes.
you can go back to the camera
I
while you're
still have
driving
it. I
forward.
got the back camera driving forward. Look at
Oh,
that.
it's so weird.
It's like a little trail.
Oh man, if somebody's tailgating you, you can like look back,
Yep.
see their face, and then record them like this. Aha! Gotcha. Bro, the real question, everyone in this video is asking,
Yeah.
and that the only reason they've gone this far is because they want to know if this Jeep, that's turbo and supercharged and all that stuff, can do a burnout.
Oh my god.
What do you mean? Oh my god! He's like, let me click the traction
this
control
makes it
off.
off-road.
No, stop lying.
Look, you go like this, traction control on, traction control off. There you go.
Ooh, it's camo. Is that camo?
I don't know, whatever that is.
It's like digital camo.
But it's all-wheel drive. It can't. Oh, it had the auto start thingy on. You see, it wasn't even like on. Working windshield wiper. Look at that. It's like so clean.
First time ever using it, and he's like, whoa!
Like my race car never cleans this good, even though I buy the premium wipers. Look at that,
Mine
it's
never
so
cleaned that
clean.
good either. It's probably because the windshield's also brand new, and like ours are dirty.
Oh, it's like on first gear.
Okay, well, yeah, you got to do the Tiptronic thing. Shift it! Oh, that's so cool! It's like a dog box.
A little delayed dog box, but it's actually pretty fun. Oh, look at this guy wants to race.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is that, a VW? He wants it. He wants it. It's a Jeep race car. Oh my God! It's actually pulling like it wants to go.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Marco, you like it?
Yes.
It passed.
It's
Turbocharged Jeep.
If it wasn't turbocharged, I'd be sad.
Yeah, I wouldn't be driving it either. But turbocharged, I can be big boost and drive something not boosted.
It's a little
Actually, you know what I want to do? You know that they put the Rubicon stickers on this thing? I want to put big boost here on the side instead of having the Wrangler or a Rubicon sticker on it. I think that would be a really good idea.
Yeah, or a windshield banner.
No, but the windshield is so tiny, I won't be able to see. No, the little side thing is gonna have to be it. I think I'm gonna get it done.
That's where the LED bar goes, remember?
Not there.
We need LED bars everywhere.
On the sides.
Everywhere! Support vehicle. Go anywhere.
No, it's not gonna be on the side. So I'm gonna put big boost stickers on there probably. So I'm gonna have to probably hit up Guardian Wraps and see if they're down to do it. And the thing is, what color? Probably silver. I'll probably do silver.
Yeah, so it matches.
Or
this
chrome.
This is gray. This is like silver.
Silver or chrome?
Silver.
All right, silver it is.
Depends
well,
on
guys,
depends on what wheels you get. What
I'm
color
on
you
2% battery. We gotta finish this video, guys. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Well, thank you for. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my God, the battery! Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. So I'll have the Jeep now to make videos, and I have the BMW to make videos too. So I have two cars to do two different things. I got drifting, and now we got off-roading apparently so far. Or maybe a beach day video next time. Who knows? I think the beach day video.
All-wheel drive pulls.
I'm gonna go to the sand with this thing. Yes, sand video
awesome.
coming up.
Awesome.